Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're in the business center. It's the business center at the Lenox Timbergrove. Wow, this is a really cool room. It's super quiet, so I'm trying not to be my loud self. It's really tough because I'm loud. But anyway, man, really pretty room. You can see you can grab those private offices anytime. So, just grab those and have an office. That's like a really big space too. I see these, at other places, but they're usually like a third of the size of this. So really cool to see this. All these spaces you can plug in, there's plugs there. You can plug in and work from here. A lot of windows, really well lit. I love it. It's just kind of a fun area. You could just, hang out with colleagues and other folks, work here during the day. They've got water all set up. It's a really impressive co-working space, definitely. I can see this being used a lot. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. We're going to go to the next amenity right now.